lover guys, and welcome back to another episode here on our channel. Great to have you guys back. And currently I'm in Apia at the moment here in town, and just came to run some errands. We've actually got a cruise ship docked at the port. It's the MSC cruise ship, so which is a good opportunity for tourism here in Samoa, especially with a lot of the passengers I think are from Switzerland. So hope you guys enjoyed today's content, and yeah, might finish off back at the plantation once we get there. So one of the benefits whenever we have cruise ships coming into Samoa is that a lot of the industries, especially, I mean not the industries, small businesses can actually make quite a lot of money during this time, and that actually helps the economy grow. So things such as the small handicrafts businesses, transportation, buses, taxis, all of these businesses actually make quite a lot of money here in Samoa, and that's one of the benefits of having, especially during COVID, when tourism actually shut down quite a lot, with a lot of the planes, air travel, especially sea travel, blocked off. So this was one of the great opportunities for tourism to get back online here in Samoa. So this is an example of some of the tour bus operators that are helping out take the tourists around Samoa, especially in the town area, where they can have a look at some of the iconic sites here in Samoa, especially in the town area. So this is our government building, where most of the government ministries are located. I mean, now I feel like I'm a tour operator, but so now I'm going to drive a little bit closer towards the port, just to get a better view of the cruise ship and yeah, some of the activities going on there. Currently here at the port now. I'm just trying to see if we could get some access inside. Wouldn't mind a few shots to go inside, so see if I can get some of the security guard around here to allow me to go inside so we can get a few shots. The small tour we did here in town. Let me know in the comment section if you guys want to do more of this focused tour around town, around the town area. Maybe I can try it out next time we come here in town. But as for now, I'm going to head back down and head back to Couldnt. See ya. waters for the cows, so we can take to the cattle farm on our way today. So now back at the plantation. Sorry it took a little while. We had to prep food at home before we came. But yeah, came to drop off the water for the cows. And checking up on the new plot that we're planning to plant probably in the next 2 weeks. Here with Uati. So that plot there, we're hoping looks about yeah, probably around 10,000 what is estimate 10,000 tiapula for this entire block. Here going all the way up to there. We're also on the way just to get a couple of taros for the food tomorrow. Big. It's always a good sign to see the cows, especially they make noises, probably means they're glad to see us. Big, big. 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 Vaikka alluolka kallas. Big. Big. Oh yeah. na maukengi so. Dali. Wala yung maukengi. Dali. Ay na yung maukengi ay mako dia. Si maukengi kasi wal povi na ko ya. Yo. Ay love wal maukengi, ay love wal povi ay maukengi. So down here with the cows, just gonna head to the other side of the plantation, see if we've got some taro there for Sunday tomorrow. Me and Uati are finished here now at the plantation. We wanted to get some lemons for the okra tomorrow, but for tonight. Fortunately, we couldn't find any lemons here, so we're gonna head down to the other side where we have another house down towards the coastal area, and we've got lemons there, so we'll get it from there. Well, that's it from this side. About to head off now. What? Gonna make you Calvin Klein. Oh, Calvin Klein po. Calvin Klein po, Caroline. Oh, Calvin Klein po. Oh. No, Calvin Klein. It's Kulay. So that side is where our new access road will be coming out of. I'll show you the other side of this road once we get there, but this side comes straight next to our house, and this is where we're hoping to cut our new access road coming in the next 2 months, as opposed to coming from this side, which usually takes us about 10 to 15 minutes, but this one will take us 5 minutes because it's straight next from our house.
Hi guys, there's guys called the house.
So we're just approaching the road now where we have our new access road, and I'll show you guys where we come from or where it goes. So this side of the road goes straight to where I showed you guys, which goes straight to the plantation. If you continue that way, you'll get straight to where the plantation is. However, on the other side, this side takes you straight to our house, right next to our house. So as you can see, travel time probably 5 minutes now. So hopefully that we get that road up and running in the next coming months, depending on how busy we are. But we'd really like to get it in operation, just to save us fuel as well. Just on the road now, the village road, which goes straight towards the coastline, where the other side of the village is. This road's hardly used because the bad condition it's in, the poor condition the road is in. It's because it goes downwards. A lot of the water comes down this way and actually cuts through the road, thus damaging the road. So yeah, that's why hardly any cars come through here. Now, as I mentioned in some of my previous episodes, roaming cows is one of the biggest problems we have here with plantations in Samoa, especially here in our village. And you guys can see the reality of it right here. So this is some of the other cows that are roaming the village right now, and they actually belong to families.
Look at that, yeah. Hold on. Dang, black dog.
That is one big cow. Jeez. So that's roughly about 30 cows. I think those are the same cows that were trampling our plantation behind the house. And it's a shame because some of these people can't, properly secure their fences. And as a result, taro plantations are absolutely demolished because of these cows. So it's such a sad sight. I mean, they look like really tamed cows, and the fact that they're out of the fence means no one has been has come to check on them, which means they don't know where the cows are. That's the reality. That's another big plantation here in our village. That's probably the second biggest plantation we have. Big plantation. Oh, we got another one. So yeah guys, we finally reached our family's house down in the coastline. We had to take it slow down the road just in case, because the road was in pretty bad condition. So we're just gonna quickly find some lemons and then head back home.
This is a village. Paradise. This is those are moist again. Here. Look at. Here tree. Yeah. Look. Those are more camp.
So this is our family's house down here on the coastline. Uati just getting the lemons from here and also checking up on the house to see if everything's okay. So far it's looking good. After here we'll head back home. Let's show you guys around. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. It wasn't really much content, but just wanted to make another video for the weekend. Remember to give our video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, hopefully catch you guys on the next episode. See you then. Sunday right at the moment, but I can see cows down at the plantation, so we gotta go chase them. Who's? There they go. Even on Sundays, man, you gotta check out on the farm and plantation, because these roaming cows, they're really doing a lot of damage. And I'll show you an example of the damage that the cows are doing here on the plantation. Look at that. damaged. That's no longer good. Taro, and that's 8 months down the drain. You know, we could have used the Taro. Look, see, it's the place where Taro damaged. Damaged. So this is really this is one of the the disadvantages, because you invest a lot of time into your plantation, but in the end you can't yield that much because of factors such as these the cows that roam the plantations. It's always good to get the dogs to chase them. Us. So yeah, guys, have a blessed Sunday. I'll try my best to have a blessed Sunday, because of the fact that, you know, the damage I've seen now with these roaming cows. But try to keep my head clear, and yeah, hope for better tomorrow. Have a peaceful Sunday, guys. See you next time.